This is a presentation on Google Forms. It's how to use Google Forms and examples on when to use them with students. Using Google Forms. Google Forms can be used to get answers to questions in large amounts and anonymously. Google Forms can be used for organizations, clubs, classrooms, or for one's own enjoyment. In this presentation, I have given an example of how to use Google Forms with 3rd through 5th graders for school projects or assignments. Google Forms can be used to poll students to find out useful information that they can then use for a multitude of things. The Candy Bar Study. I am showing an example of how to use Google Forms to ask the class what their favorite candy bar is. The students will all participate in the survey and then evaluate the results. The results can be used to determine the class's favorite candy bar, and students can then make a chart depicting the scores from each one. So this is a screenshot of the actual survey, and I've listed a multitude of different candy bars that each student can go in and vote, and they can use their results for a variety of different things. Find out the class's favorite candy bar, found out the second favorite, they can make charts, pie charts. So this can really lead into a gateway of many other things you can do with this certain Google tool.